Today, we're diving into a rather unsettling prediction made by Cloudflare's CEO, Matthew Prince. He believes AI could turn the internet into a dystopian Black Mirror world, controlled by just a handful of tech giants. What do you think of that?
It's a chilling thought. The idea that these tech giants could shape the information we see based on their own political ideologies, almost like the Renaissance patrons controlling art, is a pretty extreme way of looking at it. But in a sense, isn't that already happening?
Exactly. We're already seeing some level of this in the form of algorithms deciding what we see on social media or news platforms. It's not exactly the patronage of artists, but it is a form of control over what content reaches us.
Right. And if AI takes this further, the influence could become even more concentrated. What worries me is how this might impact freedom of information. We could end up in a world where a few companies decide what's acceptable or truthful.
It's a slippery slope. AI could filter out diverse perspectives, making our online experiences feel more like an echo chamber. You mentioned the Black Mirror reference. This could be a real-life version of some of those dark episodes where control is so subtle, we don't even realize it.
That's the scary part. AI could be used to tailor everything, even news, to align with specific worldviews, leaving less room for people to question or explore different opinions. It might seem convenient at first, but the long-term effects could be devastating.
And think about the impact on journalism and content creators. If tech giants start hiring journalists just like they did artists during the Renaissance, those creators may have to cater to certain narratives. It's a scary thought, considering the role journalism plays in shaping democracy.
Absolutely. Journalism is supposed to challenge power and inform the public, not just serve as another tool for corporations to push their agendas. If AI decides what stories get told, we could lose the diversity of voices that's so crucial for a healthy society.
And this isn't just about the media. AI could be used to manipulate our behavior in ways we don't even notice. Think about how personalization already affects our buying habits or how we vote.
The idea of AI shaping everything, including the information we consume, feels like we're heading toward a society that is deeply controlled. But how do we stop it? Do we rely on regulations, or is the problem deeper than that?
It's a tough question. We could start with regulation, but AI is evolving so quickly. By the time laws are made, the technology might have already outpaced them. Perhaps the real challenge is in ensuring transparency and accountability in how AI is developed and used.
Definitely. We need to make sure that as these tech giants push forward, there's a balance between innovation and the preservation of democratic values. It's about keeping tech in check while still allowing it to advance.
Agreed. It's a complex issue, but the more we talk about it, the more we can raise awareness. If we don't address these concerns, we could end up with a reality where AI shapes everything in ways we can't control.
It's definitely a conversation worth having. Let's just hope we don't end up living in a Black Mirror episode anytime soon.